I do hope you are fine now, friends. In this video we have a look of Zilliqa. What's the price change goes in Zilliqa, what's the high price of Zilliqa, and what is the currently status of Zilliqa in the cryptocurrencies markets. This video is very important for you if you are a holder of Zilliqa. So before starting this brand video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and information about Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. Now let's get started. First of all, we look the price prediction of Zilliqa. What's the price change occur in Zilliqa in the previous last 2 hours? As you can see now on the screen, that is the live price prediction of Zilliqa of the last 2 hours. Friends, if we look the change of Zilliqa in the last 2 hours, so the change is negative 2.71% change occur in Zilliqa in the last 2 hours, and the high price of Zilliqa is about $0.206737 is the high price of Zilliqa in the last 2 hours. And if we look the chart analysis of Zilliqa, so the chart analysis tell us that it's a continuously falling down period of Zilliqa. Zilliqa in the travel of Zilliqa, they, as you can see here, they take a small jump, but after a small jump they again take a high pump, sorry, dump. So it's absolutely bad news for us Zilliqa holder, but don't worry, their big days, their big pumpings are coming soon. So hold your Zilliqa with the last of this month and wait for it. Now let's see the last 1 hour status of Zilliqa. What's going in Zilliqa in the last 1 hour? As you can see here, the last 1 hour change as a negative 2.82% chance, because they are falling, that is why they are negative. And the high price of Zilliqa in the last 1 hour is about $0.205368. And now if we look the currently status of Zilliqa, so currently at this time they are also in the falls. That is the live price prediction of last 1 hour you are watching now. So friends, if we look the last 2 hour price prediction, last 1 hour price prediction, the both are in negative. So what should you do at this time? My suggestion for you, if you are a holder of Zilliqa, hold your Zilliqa with the end of this month, because big pumps are coming soon. And if you want to buy a Zilliqa, so don't do this mistake at this time, because it is a dumping time of Zilliqa. When they start jumping upwards, so it's the best time for you to buy a Zilliqa crypto. And if you want to sell it, so don't do this mistake at this time, because they are also in the falling down. Don't sell it at this time, and hold it with the end of this month. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of information about cryptocurrencies markets.